Hey everybody, it's time to pick the winners of the June 2018 Drone Drop giveaway. We're giving away 3 Drone Drop race packs, which is just, it's a collection of stuff from previous Drone Drop. It's free stuff. What do you care? I want to acknowledge that it is right now July 18th, and in the terms and conditions for the giveaway, I said prize drawing will be performed July 17th. Don't worry, there's nothing fishy going on here. The whole point of this clause is so that people know when they're eligible to enter and when, whoop, now that's cutoff date, no more entries are allowed. So last night, July 17th, I went in and I approved all of the comments. I haven't approved any more, so the only people who are eligible are people who made it in before the deadline. I'll double check that with the winners and make sure your comment was from a valid time. But I'm actually just recording this the morning of, because you know, now I've had my coffee. It's not the middle of the night. I'm all tired. I always wait till the very last minute, because if I say I'm going to do the drawing on July 17th and then I do it at 9 a.m., then everybody else on July 17th is upset because they missed it. So I wait till the last minute so as many of you guys can get in as possible. Here we are at the Sandra Series Random Comment Picker, and we're going to randomly pick 3 winners. Here we go. 1 comment, 0 likes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, you may not be able to win that chicken dinner at PUBG, but Prince Albert FPV, you have won a Drone Drop giveaway. Please reach out to me, email me, JoshuaBardwell@gmail.com. Send me your mailing information, and I will pass that on to the folks at Drone Drop. 2 more winners. Wade0717. You're not only in, Wade, you're a winner. And Daniel Muskizit. 1 comment. Here you go. Well, one race pack, Daniel. Here you go. All right, folks. There are your 3 winners. Contact me, winners. For everybody who didn't win, I do lots of giveaways. I'm sure you'll... Well, let's face it, the odds of you actually winning are pretty low, but it's better than the lottery. It's about 1 in 1,000, 1 in 1,500. Keep entering. Hey, it costs you nothing to enter. What do you care? Have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye.